Scamp has been in business for over 53 years. We are the originator in the lightweight fiberglass trailers. The company is owned by Evelyn's. It is third generation, family owned and operated here in Bacchus, Minnesota, a big town of 250 people. So just a great company to work for. We sell our trailers nationwide. We even sell them worldwide. We have shipped trailers overseas.
Who wants a fully featured fiberglass travel trailer that starts under 2,000 pounds and sleeps 4? Hey folks, Day Hiker from the 6 here, and I drove 1,100 miles to Minnesota to film the incredible Scamp lineup for you. In this video, we'll be focusing on the heart of the Scamp lineup, the 16-foot Layout 4. The Scamp 16-foot has 2 claims to fame. First, its extra length compared to the 13-foot model means that you can have bunks and a bathroom in the same build. And second, it's a Scamp, which means iconic fiberglass styling, weatherproofness, and longevity. Join me and Dayton from Scamp as we walk through this exciting lightweight trailer. Hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any other Scamp videos, and remember to stay tuned until the end of this video for the things that I love and the things that I'd change about this exciting small camper.
So the main advantage of the fiberglass trailer, especially the Scamp, is obviously the lightweight. Our 13-foot trailers, they start around 1,600 pounds depending on the options that you put on it. Our 16-foot trailers are around 1,900 pounds, and our fifth wheel 19-foot trailer is around 3,000 pounds. The advantage of the fiberglass trailer is you don't need a 3/4 ton truck or an $80,000 truck to pull our, typically the vehicle that you own right now can pull one of our Scamp trailers. Another advantage of the fiberglass trailer, especially with the Scamp, is this is the only seam that is on the trailer. It is around the belly band. So we have a bottom fiberglass mold and a top fiberglass mold that comes together. So no seams on top of the trailer. Very, very leak proof. They very rarely do we ever see any leaks on our Scamps, which is why we like to say they last for a lifetime. So here we have our 16-foot standard trailer that we have. Again, optional feature, we got the awning up here. This one particular one does have the roof fan, which I do have going on that. Regular lock. All of our 16-foot trailers, they do come standard with the step. Grab handle, that is an option on the trailer. So if we go around to the front of the trailer, this one does have our optional dual propane tanks, and this one is the optional cover. You can get a cover or you can get it without a cover. This one has our power tongue jack like I was talking about. So you just hit this button and it goes up and down nice and easy on the trailer to do it. This one has our front sofa and our bunk, and it has a bathroom on the side. So this one, you do have the option This is a gravel shield, so you do have an option for the window. This is the only window in the Scamp that does not open due to the curvature of the front of the trailer. However, you do have the window option on this one with the sofa bunk up front. And this is just our gravel shield. So on the passenger side of the 16-footer, again, this is where our tanks are going to be, your gray water tank and also your black water tank. Your release is right here with your hookup. Again, our black water tank is 6 gallons. You have a 21-gallon gray water tank and the hose carrier right here in the back, which will hook up to both of the spouts on there. Here is your city water connection. This is our furnace outlet, and then here we also have our on-demand water heater. So you turn on the propane and you hit this little switch. It is a tankless water heater, so you don't have to wait for anything to fill up on there. It is on demand, it is right now. This is a great new feature that we just added this year. This is our detachable cord set. So you flip this up, your cord is in the trailer, you just plug it in, and then you plug into your shore power. This completely seals up the trailer. There is no hole that you have to feed the cord in and out of. So it is very nice for rodents or any bugs or anything. That completely eliminates anything getting inside your trailer. Back to the rear of the trailer, standard spare tire with the spare tire cover. You got your stabilizer links on the side. You got your 2-inch receiver for your bike rack or for a luggage rack that does have a 250-pound max. Some of the older Scamps, if some of you are familiar, you would see our tail lights down a little bit lower, and then some of the Scamps you see a double set. What we have done is we have taken these brake lights up, moved them to the middle of the trailer, so if you do have a bike rack back here, they are more visible. Also standard on all of our trailers, you get the 3rd brake light.
Hey folks, Greg here with 2 other features on the outside of the 16 that I want to show you. First, you'll see a torsion axle, which those of you who follow the channel know I'm a fan of. Torsion axles deliver a secure ride on the highway from a very simple design. Second, you can now order a Scamp with a composite floor, which will eliminate the chance of any wood rot in the trailer. In fact, for 2025, it's going to be standard. I'm not sure if this is that floor, but thought it was important to mention. Now let's head inside.
So this is our 16-foot layout 4 in the standard. So you get the sofa front bunk that does convert into a bunk bed. That top bunk does hold up to 150 pounds. You got your side bathroom, which is going to give you the shower over the toilet. Our side bathroom is a little bit smaller than our front bathroom. However, you still do have your shower and your toilet. Storage underneath the sofa and the bunk up front. Plenty of storage there. USBs and power outlet right there on the entrance of the trailer. On the layout 4, your kitchen is going to be on both sides. This one is the standard 3.0 Dometic fridge that runs off of propane, off of 12 volt or your shore power. Optional microwave. If you did not have the microwave, you would just have extra storage here for you. Standard cooktop. Plenty of storage up here. Overhead cabinet over that. Drawer open there. Storage underneath. Storage underneath there. And then over on your sink side, drawer there, lots of storage underneath there. Overhead storage over the sink. And then your U cabinet in the back that opens up for all kinds of storage over the top of the bed. So here we have our control panel on our 16-footer. Again, this one does have a bathroom, so standard you're going to have tank monitors. This is going to give you the percentage of your freshwater tank, your gray water tank, and your black water tank. Control for your on-demand water heater, simple process, just turn it on, up and down for your temperature. This is our optional furnace, the thermostat, and the furnace is on the other side over here. This is our battery monitor right here. And then your freshwater pump when you want to use out of your freshwater tank, a simple flip of the switch and it turns on your pump for you. So back to our pricing on our Scamps. All of our 13-footers, our 16-footers, and our 19-footers, they all have different layouts on the inside that come with a standard price on those different layouts. And basically what we do, we will custom build this trailer right to your liking. Whatever options you want on it. We kind of like to say, here's the burger, whatever toppings you want on top of that burger, we'll put it on there and we will custom build it right to your liking. So here we have our 16-foot standard trailer. The price on this, it starts at $24,000, well equipped, just depending on the layouts that you have, well equipped. They range anywhere between $24,000, I would say, to $32,000, $33,000. Again, we are factory direct. There is no dealer markup. We have found the best way is just to treat people right and give you our best price right up front. Well, if I live in California or I live in Florida, how do I get my Scamp serviced? Your first call, should you need your Scamp service, would be into our parts and service department, and they will direct you exactly where you need to go. Any certified RV dealer can work on our trailers. Our parts and service department, they work wonderfully with you, the customer, and also other dealers nationwide that you can get your Scamp serviced and you do not have to bring it back here to Bacchus. So warranty on our Scamp trailers, the industry standard, the frame and the shell have a 1-year warranty. Any of the appliances that are inside the trailer, it varies from the supplier and that manufacturer of that product. The warranty will vary anywhere between 1 to 3 years. We also here at Scamp offer an extended warranty where you could completely cover your trailer under warranty for 7 years.
Alright, it's time to look at the things I like about this trailer. First, I love the overall package. 16 feet and right around 2,000 pounds for a trailer with a kitchen, bathroom, and bunks is awesome. Throw in the fiberglass body and you've got a really compelling small camper trailer at a great price. Second, I really like the standard package decor. It's bright and looks both modern and cottagey at the same time. If I were Scamp though, I'd be tempted to offer a few more colors for the cabinet faces. Finally, I love all the choices for floor plans and options. Almost everyone should be able to order their Scamp exactly the way they want it. But that brings me to my first con. There is one choice for the 16-foot model that their website makes it appear that Scamp doesn't build, and that's the wider 54-inch bed with the standard decor package. The 54-inch bed appears to be reserved for the deluxe model. That one combo that they don't do is of course the one that I'd want. My second con is that the bunks are a bit tight. Hey, don't get me wrong, they'd be great for kids or even for small adults, but not for a big guy like me. My third con is the lack of an outside storage door. The storage compartment under the couch bunks area would probably serve the same purpose, but I'd still prefer to keep leveling blocks, wheel chocks, hoses, and cables outside. Overall, of all the Scamps I saw on this trip, this 16-foot model was my favorite. Towing-wise, it doesn't look a whole lot bigger than the 13, but on the inside it feels like a good-sized RV. So if you're in the market for this type of trailer, I'd say definitely add Scamp to your shopping list. Thanks for watching, big thanks to Dayton as well for presenting. Please give us a like if you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more lightweight trailers coming soon on the channel.